Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your Oxford Reading Circle class 2. Open book page number 110. Student, our reading is continue of unit number 18. Don't talk story. So let's start its reading. Then Mrs. Smith went to see if Tommy was all right. It was past his bedtime, so he should have been asleep. She looked into his room. Tommy was sleeping. Mrs. Smith went to turn off his bedside light. She saw a note on his bedside table. It said, "Mother, there is a school trip to the lake and fun tomorrow. Wake me up at 7 a.m. Tommy." In the morning, Tommy woke up when he heard Smith scratching at his door. He sat up and yawned. Delight was coming through a gap in the curtains. "What's the time?" said Tommy to himself. He leaped up and looked at his watch. 8 o'clock. Why, Tommy, oh no, I missed the bus and the trip with my friends. Tommy stamped his feet. He was very cross. "It's her fault," cried Tommy. "I shall go and shout at Mother. I asked her to wake me and she didn't." Tommy went to his bedside table to take the note to show his mother. He found another note next to his own. It said, "Tommy, wake up. It is 7 a.m. Mother." Student, your homework is you have to read ORC book page number 110 to 111, memo underline words spelling, and also memorize story 16 from your fair copy. Also do test of your story number 16, The Kind Dolphins, at your home. Send that picture and also your reading in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.